Morning guys, in front of me CMF Phone 2 Pro, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So at first enroll the settings, then find and select System and go to Backup. And now if you do have your account already added, I mean Google account, then just mark data that you wish to backup. In my case it's both photos and videos along with other device data. Tap on confirm, and actually it is already done. Click on manage backup to customize the bit, and once your account is not added, you will have to provide it. So just enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, along with the password. So this is it. This is how you can activate Google Backup by Google One. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.